Good morning from Harris Beach State Park. Today's the day that we are moving on. We've spent a couple of glorious days walking the beach, and it's a busy place, but it's a nice state park. We found out that it's probably one of the most visited in Oregon, but it has a nice beach, and so we spent a couple days doing that. Every morning we've been here, it's rained in the morning, which is 2 mornings. And it's overcast and it's raining off and on here. So we're not going to go down to the beach this morning. We're just going to go up the road a little ways. We're going to stop here and there, hopefully, and visit some places, and then camp maybe between Florence and Eugene someplace, just to let the snow that came in last night, that dumped, I guess, quite a bit in the mountains, just to get it cleared, and so that we're not driving through a storm or something. So find a spot, camp, and then just take care of a couple of things and just relax and make our way east and see where we end up, I guess. So we're here at the McKinsey Bridge campground, and we are the only ones here. There isn't even a host here, but it's open, and so we found a site. It's wet. It's been raining off and on all day. We drove east on Highway 126, and from Florence to Eugene, it's really, really windy, and we had a string of cars. We had logging trucks, and we had a really slow RV in front of us. We had the one finger wave at us about 3 or 4 times, and it really wasn't our fault. We were just following other people, so we just kind of laughed as they passed us and waved at us. And at one point, a car tried to pass another one. We thought we'd see an accident. It was just crazy. So we're glad to be off that road, and we're glad to be at this campsite. Like I said, we're the only ones here, so it's going to be really quiet. We had our pick of any site we wanted, and we're right by the McKinsey River, so it should be really pretty. Our plan is to stop at Sisters tomorrow and walk around. It's not supposed to be raining. From there, we're not really sure where we're going to go or where we're going to stay. We'll check it out tomorrow.